Satya 2. Truth sure hurts. Goli maar bheje mein. Honestly, is that what Ram Gopal Varma has done to himself? 15 years after Ramu opened his underworld innings with the Urmila Matondkar Manoj Bajpayee starrer Satya, you watch the filmmaker shoot down his own reputation with Satya 2 and groan. In fact, mourn too the death of lovable rogues like Bikku Matre. Instead, meet taciturn Satya, who has landed in Mumbai and is out to script a new story for the city's crime world. Voiceover Makaran Deshpande guides you over potholes and the grime scene with top shots that look upon a city awash with greed and seedy sleaze that must be eliminated. Satya's credo is to operate and hit fast, firm and furiously without boasting. That's where Dawood's D-Gang, Chota Rajan, Abu Salem and other murky underworld figures erred, declares Satya in his dull voice. They wanted applause from the world which was their undoing. So hit hard but seal those lips. That's the motto on which Satya erects the faceless crime edifice called Company. The cops are baffled. Who's behind Company? Nobody knows. The answer? The cops too form a hush-hush gang to take on the Company. Satya's weakness is his wife, a duckling called Chitra, who has no clue that hubby is the crime lord behind the Company that has unleashed terror in the city. Even best buddy Nara, who suddenly gets finance for his long-cherished film, doesn't suspect what Satya is all about. In fact, everybody's so naive. They don't ever question how Satya has done so well so quickly in a city where he knew no one. Satya executes a 3-in-1 day killing spree, targeting an industrialist, a celebrity media tycoon, and the police commissioner to sell fear, his company's calling card. Oh, the celebrity TV anchor he bumps off is named Gurdeep Rajdesai. Let's see what CNN IBN has to say about this wisecrack. The film actually goes nowhere after all those killings. The law enforcers do manage to pick up Satya's friend Nara and close in on the man behind the cleverly structured Company. But all the cops behave and look like they're straight out of a rogues gallery. There's something so sinister about Ramu's policemen that even when a disgraced encounter cop declares that at heart he was always a cop, the filmmaker manages to make that too sound like a crime. Satya, it's finally disclosed, set up the elaborate network based on the Naxal Maoist bed of hatred towards the very rich and those in uniform. When he gives his final spiel on the corrupt rich and the cocky influential who had it coming, it doesn't occur to Satya or anyone else that his own journey is so closely tied with a fat rich builder called Laoti and many of his moneyed, pot-bellied friends. The songs are a drag, especially the awkwardly choreographed honeymoon number between silent Satya and duckling Chitra. There are abuses galore that may excite the single-screen crowd for a while. And there are profound lines delivered deadpan, like, the system takes on the underworld, but the system itself makes the underworld. Ramu throws a final punch when Satya announces that getting him won't help because Company is a soch, a thought, not an individual, and that his company has spread too far and wide to be stemmed. But there's so little menace in the no-impact storytelling that the only thing really scary is when Ramu signs off with threats of a Satya 3 in the offing. To be fair to Ramu, there is a splash of the old master at work, especially at the beginning when some of his beautifully framed shots give a whiff of what the filmmaker was once capable of. There's a sensuous close-up shot of Satya and Chitra in a song where her foot is held in his palm with droplets of water all around. Or there's the taut shot where Satya orchestrates his first two killings by getting a local leader and a cop killed at the same venue, one shot ringing out of Katrina Kaif's eye on a large hoarding. But then, a few well-framed shots don't make a film. For a gangster movie that doesn't pack an impact, Satya 2 gets a 2-star rating.
The movie has created a lot of buzz well before its release, from the top stars praising Ram Leela in form of tweets to its trailer release loved by all. We give you 5 reasons to watch this film. One of the most costliest and anticipated movie of the year, Krish 3, hit the screen on November 1st and has got a great opening despite of mixed reviews. We tell you 5 things that have terribly gone wrong with Krish 3.